fantastic job. So our farmers are going to be very well taken care of. Thank you all very much. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. It's a great honor to have with us the
Welcome, everybody. How's it going? What's happening? What's happening? All right. We're back here. Kind of looking for the market to show us the way. Hello, Teacher FX. What's up? Max, welcome. Let's go. Green, good to see you back. It's Friday, everybody. It's Friday already. How about that? I know we talked about it because I streamed today on Friday. I know. But it's still like getting into the weekend. Blue one evaluation. Oh no. Green, what did you do? Green.
What did you do?
What did you do? No, it's fine. It's Friday. You can do that. No, actually it happens. It happens to everyone. I know. We all want to get there real quick. I'm kind of looking at gold as well, but that's not doing anything. I really wanted to see something happening on gold, but it's not happening. Why do I feel like that we're going to tag that 805? Leah, hello. Happy Friday to you too. Welcome. Okay. Yeah, I can definitely imagine another 50 points of drop here. But who knows? Ah, already heavy drawdown. All right. Well, then all is forgiven. So I wanted to jump into a trade maybe on some evals, but the thing is, I'm a little bit scared to take a short to go for that 805. You know. Yeah, I mean either. This is not actually a level that I'm looking to break. I mean, yes, there is a sell side that's a swing low at 805, but I don't really see anything there. And if I'm looking for supply zones on the 5-minute, it's I mean, we have one level. Actually, let me clear up the chart a little bit. Kind of confusing. So there is a potential supply zone here. Let me explain why do I think that. Okay, opening up this candle is 83.50, 83.25. Okay, so here's the zone. 83.25 is gonna be the level, and I'm just going to extend this. What's the time right now? 10:51. Okay, I'm gonna extend this here. Come on. All right, so 5-minute supply zone there. We'll see how it goes. If I see a reversal, most likely on the lower time frame, which is going to be the 1-minute, that's going to be my target. Okay, so the 5-minute supply zone, nothing else that I see here. That's the only thing. I'm not looking to take any kind of short positions here, even if it goes down and takes the 805. The only thing I would be looking for is to go for that 83. That's it. Okay. Man. Are we just gonna go sideways? Gold reversing a little bit. Let me check some levels here. hold on. Hold on, I might see something on gold. Anyway, I have a short signal based on my indicator on gold, but I don't know how far can it go down. The problem is we are in a consolidation. The only thing I see here, let's just take a look at the 1 hour bullish pin bar here on gold. Let's take a look on the 1 hour here. Just a second. Okay, so that's the 50% level of the wick. If I extend it to the right, that would be 3981.3. Actually, not a bad area. And the low of this wick is also at 81.7. Who knows? Hey, Business Lens, it's gonna happen. I apologize, Ed. If we ever get through this giveaway, which I'm announcing like 2 weeks now, almost 3, I'm gonna definitely. I'm not going to announce only. It's just gonna be a surprise if we have one, because we're gonna have one. I don't have the answer, so I'm just gonna upload the video. The way that we're gonna do it is, as I said, there's gonna be a form on the new video which is gonna be uploaded to my channel, and you just give your email and nickname, YouTube name that is, and we're gonna pick the winner most likely on Monday or Tuesday. I just don't have answer of how many accounts can we give away, so I'm gonna have to go and guess. So I hope that at least we can give away like 5 or 6 accounts, the bare minimum. Big pile on my neighbor's yard. What? You're very happy? Nearly caught you. Oh my gosh, Max, what are you doing? What's happening there? What is happening there? Okay. I like this candle here. Helpful G, hello. Welcome. 50k accounts. Hello Teacher FX. These are going to be 50k accounts. At least it will be like 3 to 5 from Apex, and there's going to be 3 from Take Profit Trader, and 3 from MyFundedFutures, 2 or 3 from Take Profit Trader, and I'm waiting for Apex to answer me. So at least it should be, the bare minimum should be 5 accounts. But I have no answer. Actually, Take Profit Trader have not confirmed the exact number back to me, so that's why I'm assuming it should be at least 2, but most likely 3 accounts. Okay. Still waiting. All right, let's just wait just a little bit. I profited on 5 TPT evals. Let's go. I blew a live account from them like 2 days ago, and that sucked, but we're back in the game. That is amazing. Let's go. Congratulations. I mean, that's how we get back on our feet, right? That's how we do it. That is exactly how we do it. Okay. Just a second. I gotta check something. Bam, bam. Okay. All right, I was just checking something real quick, but I'm here. So looking for gold to go lower. NQ obviously seems like it wants to go for that 805. I don't know. What? I tell my neighbor's got a crazy wife. I met her several times when he was not at home. Oh my gosh. To make things complete, I put it. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I forgot to read the first part of that. I grew up playing sports like soccer player. Exactly. Well said, Helpful G. Well said. I agree. I agree. Thank you, drop below 25k. So the cockroach under my bed gets live. Okay, I like that. Current fishbowl, hello there. Yeah, it seems like that 805. I mean, it's kind of eyeballing with that level still, but the plan is still the same. If I see something we can look for that 83 maybe. What else do we have? Hello, Trading Star. What's up? Sorry, I was reading. Kind of watching the news here. Trying to decide if I should take a position or what. We're going for that 805. Pretty close, to be honest. Pretty close to go through on this sell side. But if you want to chase it, be careful. I mean, the range here, it can bounce up like 30 points in a minute. So look at that. Could be going through. So don't chase it. Do not chase it. Okay, seems like gold trying to make a run for it here to the upside. Yeah, I took a trade, small trades. I was actually scalping. I took a nice trade live on my funded TV, but I copy traded that only on my core accounts, which are still evaluation accounts, but I copy traded those. P&Ls are looking good. Actually, small profits today, small profits. So the thing is, the Bulenox accounts are getting closer to the third payout on these accounts, so that would be another $3,000. I managed to make $85 on this one, $82 on this one, $83 on this one, but I only need like 170 bucks on each, and I still need to trade at least 2 more days, so I'm gonna leave it for next week. So I should be getting $3,000 from these Bully accounts. And on the Apex accounts, almost nothing. These are down pretty much. So only around, yeah, 158 here, 100 here and there. On the evaluation accounts, the core accounts, I made almost 200. So in the green, somewhat. Who knows? Kind of waiting. Kind of waiting. Dominic, hello. I passed my futures 50k core yesterday. Nice. I took short at open. Just with micro. Oh. That's very nice. That's good profit there, Dominic. Good. Look at that. We just went through that 805. That's a great profit there. I'm kind of still thinking if gold wants to make a run for it here to the upside. It technically swept lows here. So what if it just wants to go? I don't know. Not much to do on a Friday now. Drinking your Samosby apple cider. And Swedish, oh my gosh, Swedish girls, yes. I know. The Swedish girls. Okay, is it pushing higher? Is it not? You made another 270. Oh my gosh, Trading Star, you're killing it. You definitely need to stop for the day, man. You need to stop for the day. That's more than enough. That is more than enough for a Friday. Yeah, you know, it's Friday. You gotta keep this positive vibe for the weekend, Trading Star. That amazing job, by the way, all over on your new account. That's really amazing. Mr. Smith, what's all the meat? Steaks? Steaks? Okay, steaks, I guess. Woof. So this was Andrew Tate, the top G. My role model? Oh no, he's not my role model. No. God. Oh no, God forbid. No. Andrew Tate. Oh my gosh. No. Never, ever. No, thank you. No. I don't even want to say what my opinion is about Andrew Tate. So, because I'm gonna go. No. I don't think that some of you guys would like my opinion about Andrew Tate. So no. Hey, K-Bell, what's up? Hey, thank you. Be careful. Thank you. Yeah, already 2% down. Who knows? Maybe we're gonna see a sell-off happening. Look at this. How far can it go? There's a sell side at 681. The problem is if it continues, we can see like a potential bounce as well. So it's either way, it's just super dangerous. We can go into like 100 or 200 points either way in a second. Yeah, I closed everything. Everything is closed, and to be honest with you guys, I'm not really interested to take any trade, not even on an evaluation account. I wish you a great weekend too, K-Bell. Oh, dinner plan. Okay, meat with meat. Steak dinner, all right. Another small. That's excellent. 216 payout. Oh my gosh. To the bank. Trading Star, congratulations for that. That's really amazing. Make sure to withdraw, I think, above $250, you know. Trading Star. You need to withdraw above 250 because if you withdraw less, they're going to put a $50 penalty on the withdrawal. That's it, just saying. You can withdraw it to your wallet, of course, but make sure that but you know, from your wallet to your bank account, make sure that it's above 250 because they're going to put a $50 penalty on the withdrawal. So if, for example, you withdraw $200 to your bank account, you're only going to get 150. My bank only has outgoing payments. Oh, so you're, oh, sorry, you requested, sorry, you request 270. Okay. I thought that you I thought that you requested 270. Okay, so from your trading account to your wallet or from your wallet to your bank account? That's the question. If you requested 270 from your trading account to your wallet, that is good. If you're going to request it from your trading account, that's good. But if you want to withdraw from your wallet, that's a different thing, right? Anyway, it's still good. It's still amazing. Yeah. So make sure that if you withdraw money to your bank account from your wallet, it will be above $250. Okay? Because otherwise it's going to be less with $50. So just make sure. I got some comments a few months ago, like some people, some traders were trying to, actually they requested $200 from Take Profit Trader to their bank account, and they were like, oh my gosh, I only received 150 and Take Profit Trader stole $50. No, I said it's in the terms and conditions. You can withdraw less, but there's going to be a $50 penalty. I don't know why is that, but it is what it is. But maybe it's better to check with support, you know. Maybe it's better to check with them. Yeah, you can sit on the wallet. Exactly, and get some more withdrawals into the wallet, you know. So far, nothing is going on. Hey, szervusz, szia Camilla. Hogy mint? Hogy mint? Rég hallottam fel, akartam rád írni. Messengeren, hogy mint. Vagy hogy mi újság, vagy valami. Vagy csak elfelejtettem? Igen, elfelejtettem. Mint általában. Ó, írtál? Nézzük. Ó, látom, oké. Igen, ezzel én is gondba vagyok, de szerintem a consistency rule-hoz van valami köze. Ja, nem. Azt hiszem, hogy csak annyi, hogy az összes profitodnak hány százaléka, ez a consistency rule-nak valami része, hogy az összes profitodnak az összeg hány százaléka. Tehát valami ilyesmi. Na, szuper. Hungarian language lesson, everybody. Try to learn and translate, you know. Yeah. Rules. Core account. Scale core account. Van egy olyan, hogy there's a legacy FAQ section somewhere. Let me find it. I will send it to you. There should be a legacy plan, so scale core account. Yeah, 50% consistency on the evaluation, so you're good. You're actually good, so no problem with that. 50% consistency, yeah. Which means you're good to go until $1,500 on any given day, right? What is going on? Oh, I forgot to jump into a trade here. I think gold wants to break higher. I think it did. Yeah. Gold just broke higher. You can go over 50% of the profit target. So for example, if you make $2,000 on any given day, that's going to be your new 50%. That's going to be your strongest day, right? So if that's your new 50%, then your profit target is going to increase to $4,000. So then you have to make an additional $2,000. So yeah, you can go. Or you can make $10,000 in a single day, but you have to make another $10,000 then. It's not a hard breach actually. It's a soft rule. So yeah, it's a soft rule. Easy to go with it. All right. I still think it wants to go higher. Check it out. Look at gold. Wow. Yeah, it wants to go higher. Let's wait and see. Oh my gosh. What is this market really doing? NQ is definitely down there. Yeah, you can do that in TradeAway. You can also do it on the X feed if you're using Quant Tower. You can set a daily profit limit. So if your trade, any open position, for example, is reaching that daily profit goal or maximum consistency rule, it's just gonna close down everything. Okay, NQ is dropping down. I feel like because NQ is suddenly started the sell-off scenario, gold could be edging higher here. $22. Yeah, I think it will go. I jumped into a small position on gold, aiming for the 22, not here. Don't worry, it's not my final stop loss. I just put it there. I'm kind of looking for gold to break that high up there, but I will move my stop if necessary. Ah, Vivian, hello. Is the flex add-on beneficial to us? No, that's the trick. Like, it's beneficial, Vivian. It seems like you have to make more, but you really don't. It's a little bit encouraging you to build up more buffer, but look at the other way. Like, you can request 50% of your profits. It's kind of like the copycat of TopStep, basically. But so what can you do? Let's just, you know, compare the two versions. Like on a regular core account, if you make $1,000, you can request up to $900, right? That's a cool thing. But then your account is technically blown, right? So you're not gonna have any buffer left. It's just, it has no purpose, right? On the Flex account, if you have $1,000 of profits, you can request up to $500, which is basically forcing you to leave some sort of a buffer on your account. Now, obviously, the goal here is to build more buffer on these trading accounts, right? So that's the goal. I usually say, and that would be my personal opinion, to build at least $2,000, but more likely $3,000 in profits on your funded account. So if you build up, and this is the catch here, if you build $3,000 on your regular core account, you can request up to $1,000, which is going to give you $800 net profit to your bank account. But if you build up $3,000 on your Flex account, core Flex account, you can request up to $1,500, which is going to be a net $1,200 payout to your account. So I'm just saying, if you're aiming to build more buffer, that the core Flex account is going to be more beneficial to you. If you're just looking to get the first available payout and blow up the account, then maybe the core Flex is not, I'm not saying specifically to you, but maybe it's not the best thing to have, right? But I think either way, I think the core Flex account is giving more encouragement to build more buffer and more payout potential, obviously. So it has a rewarding system in it psychologically. And yeah, let's just assume that you're on a winning streak and you build up like $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 of profit on your funded account. And then you can request, so if you make $6,000, you can request $3,000 in one single request, minus 20%, the profit split, right? But in one single request. I think psychologically it has more benefits than the regular core account. And it's basically, it's going after the TopStep combine accounts, if you really think about it. TopStep is somewhat doing the same thing. I know the numbers are different, but I'm not going to go into mathematics now and calculations. But I think it's good. I think it's fair. It's rewarding. And that's it. More payout potential. And again, it's for those traders who like to build up a little bit more buffer, at least $2,000, but more likely at least $3,000 of buffer. Then it's paying you better than a regular core account. Hey, Vivian, thank you so much for the support. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I really do. And every one of you, I'm grateful for using my code. It really helps to pay the tax and be here full time on YouTube. I appreciate it, Vivian. Thank you so much. Hey, Dave. I wish you the same too. Happy weekend. 130 bucks. That's excellent. Good job. Good job, man. I'm kind of waiting for I'm kind of watching the live YouTube feed where Hungarian Prime Minister is meeting with Trump. Not that I'm a fan of the Hungarian Prime Minister. I'm just kind of waiting for it. Upper right hand corner once you logged into. Oh, yeah. The daily profit. Okay. So that was a nice trade on gold. I liked it. That was a real good trade. That was a really nice trade on gold here. Dun-dun-dun. Okay, previous day high has been tagged on gold. When do they meet? Well, seemingly, any moment now, because they're waiting for Viktor Orban to arrive at the White House. The door is open now. The journalists are there, so most likely any moment. Yeah. Again, not that I'm a fan of Viktor Orban. Actually, I saw they posted a picture from the plane where the prime minister and his staff were traveling on the plane. The most comments, most of the comments were the same: Con Air. The movie from the 90s, Con Air. Also, I saw a lot of comments like, finally Hungary got a little bit better for a short time. Hey Vincent, hello. A propával számlák profitból igen levonhatók, hogyha egyéni vállalkozó vagy pedig kis vállalkozást üzemeltetsz, legalábbis itt igen levonhatók. Ha egyéni vállalkozásod van, és a te nevedre van a számla kiállítva, vagy a cégedre, akkor levonható. Yeah. Can I ask you to explain the DG and TradingView charts? Oh. Yeah, sure. Sure. I had it turned off, and then I realized my charts were not aligning. Oh, yeah, sure. Just a second. So basically, if you turn this on, it's going to, if there's a contract switch, then TradingView is going to switch automatically to the new contract. That's how simple it is. They synced up. Yeah. So usually TradingView is always switching a little bit earlier to the new contracts than some other. It depends on the prop firm, on the brokerage platform, But if you don't want to use TradingView to switch automatically and using this function, you can also do you can add futures. You go down to, for example, MNQ, and you manually select MNQZ 2025. You select it, and you go here, and you see it's disappeared. There's no button like that anymore because you manually selected the current contract. So you don't have to be worried about that. You can select it manually on TradingView. I don't know. I have no special reason for using the default TradingView thing here. But anyway. You are welcome, Vincent. Oh wow, gold is skyrocketing here. Look at that. Okay. Using MNQ1 and had BADG turned off, counterproductive. Not necessarily. As long as you're on the current contract, which has the most volume, it doesn't make any big difference. Just gotta make sure you see the same price as on your prop firm as well. If you don't see the same price, as I said, just manually select from TradingView. Yeah, me neither. I don't know what's happening, but you're welcome, Dave. Yeah, what a move. Wow. Oh my gosh. Okay, what is happening? Not that I really care about what's happening in the White House. I just don't know what to do here. I think I'm gonna call it here, everybody. That's the best thing I can do. I'm just gonna call it here because I'm not gonna take more trades. I had the small gold trade, and I'm green all over the funded accounts and on evals. The week was great. I don't want to give back anything. This was good, but I think I'm calling it here. I would like to say that I just appreciate and grateful for the support from everyone who's watching the stream. It's amazing to have such a great community, both here in MyFundedTV as well. Amazing sessions, amazing conversations. Thank you for the support. If you would like to get some accounts, don't forget to use the code. And all I can say is that next week is going to be interesting. Might not be as many news, who knows. I wish everybody a great weekend. Recharge, be with your friends, family, spouse, or, you know, some self-time, you know, recharge, you know, learn, relax, sleep, and all that such. All right, so God bless you all. Have a great weekend. I'll be back for Monday. Next week is going to be even better. Amazing week is ahead of us. Now it's time to recharge. All right, God bless. Cheers, everybody.